What in the world is AI? Have you ever wondered if a machine could think? That is a big question, and it is at the very heart of something we call artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Think of it this way. Intelligence is what we humans use to learn, solve problems, and understand the world. We use our brains for all that cool stuff. Artificial intelligence is when we build machines, usually computers, that can do some of those brainy things too. So how do we get a computer to act smart? It's not like flipping a switch. It's a process, a set of steps. Think of it like baking a cake. You need ingredients. You need a recipe. The first ingredient for AI is data. Lots and lots of data. Data is just information. Pictures, words, numbers, sounds. For an AI to learn what a cat looks like, we need to show it thousands, maybe millions of pictures of cats. This data is the food for our AI's brain. Without good data, the AI can't learn anything useful, like trying to bake a cake with no flour. Next up, the recipe. You might be thinking, Bill, this is all very interesting, but where is this AI stuff? The answer is everywhere. You are probably using AI every single day without even realizing it. Consider your smartphone. When you unlock it using your face, that's AI at work. The camera and a smart algorithm recognize the unique patterns of your face. When you type a message and your phone suggests the next word, that's AI predicting what you want to say based on millions of sentences it has analyzed. It's a small thing, but it saves you a little bit of time, and it's powered by some very clever science. Let's think about your entertainment. When that service recommends a new movie or song you might like, that's not a person making a guess. So we know AI learns, but how does that really happen? It's not like sending a computer to school. Let's dig deeper into this learning idea. The most common way is called supervised learning. Think of it like learning with flashcards. On one side of the card is a picture, say, of an apple. On the other side is the word apple. We show the computer thousands of flashcards. For each picture, we tell it the correct label. Picture of an apple, picture of a banana, picture of an orange. We are supervising its learning by giving it the right answers. The AI system, or model, analyzes all these labeled examples. It looks for the patterns. What makes an apple an apple? Red, green, round, stem on top. The AI isn't understanding redness or roundness like we do. It's just finding mathematical patterns in the pixels of the images. After seeing enough examples, it builds its own set of rules. Then, when we show it a new picture of an apple it has never seen before, it can label it as apple. Most of the AI we use every day, like photo tagging, uses supervised learning. Now let's talk about all the amazing things AI can help us do. The benefits are huge. Consider the world of medicine. Doctors and scientists are using AI to analyze medical images, X-rays, MRI scans. An AI can be trained to spot tiny signs of diseases like cancer that a human eye might miss. This can lead to earlier diagnosis. When you're fighting a disease, catching it early can make all the difference. AI is also helping to discover new drugs by analyzing massive biological datasets. Think about our planet. AI is a powerful tool in the fight against climate change. Farmers can use AI-powered drones to monitor crop health, using water and fertilizer only where they are needed. By understanding complex environmental systems better, AI can help us make smarter decisions to protect Earth for future generations. As with any powerful technology, AI is not all sunshine and roses. We have to think about the challenges too. It's part of being a responsible scientist and citizen. One of the biggest concerns is bias. Remember how AI learns from data? Well, what if the data we give it is biased? For example, if we train an AI to screen job applications using data from a company that historically hired mostly men, the AI might learn to favor male candidates. It's not because the AI is sexist, it's just learning the patterns from the unfair data it was given. This can lead to AI systems that make unfair decisions. That's a big problem we need to solve. Another challenge is what we call the black box problem. Artificial intelligence is not just a tool, it's a force that is reshaping our society. Let's start with jobs. You have probably heard people worry that robots will take all the jobs. It's true that AI and automation are changing the nature of work. Some jobs, especially those that involve repetitive tasks, might become less common. AI can often do these jobs faster and more accurately. This is a major shift, and it is something we need to prepare for as a society. But it's not the whole story. While some jobs may be replaced, AI is also creating brand new jobs. We need people to design, build, and maintain these AI systems. We need AI ethicists to make sure the systems are fair, and data scientists to manage the information that fuels AI. And AI can also act as a powerful assistant, making existing jobs easier. Our skills will need to evolve with the technology. Now, let's look at our health. As we build these incredibly powerful AI systems, we have to be smart about it. It's not enough for an AI to be clever, it also has to be safe and fair. This is where the idea of responsible AI comes in. It means thinking about the impact of our technology before release. It's like being a responsible car designer. You don't just build the fastest engine, brakes, seatbelts, airbags. You build safety in. For AI, this means building in safeguards to prevent harm and running rigorous testing. A huge part of responsible AI is tackling bias. This starts with the data, curating diverse representative datasets. If we build a facial recognition system, it needs to be trained on faces from all races, genders, and ages. Researchers are auditing data and building fairness testing into model evaluation. Transparency and explainability help us catch errors, correct biases, and build confidence in the technology. So, what does the future hold for artificial intelligence? The honest answer is, nobody knows for sure. But we can make some pretty good guesses based on the science. One thing is certain: AI will continue to get more powerful and more integrated into our lives. We're moving from AI that can do one specific task very well, like playing chess, to AI that is more general and can learn to do many different things. This is often called artificial general intelligence, or AGI. It's still a long way off, maybe decades, but it's the direction many researchers are working toward. In the near future, expect big waves in transportation, with self-driving cars becoming safer and more common. In science, AI will accelerate discoveries in materials science and astronomy, helping solve problems we can't even imagine today. It will transform entertainment, education, and how we communicate. The future is not something that just happens to us, it's something we build. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring. Stay curious about artificial intelligence.